Hello and namaste. How you doing, future founders, CEOs, and entrepreneurs? I hope you all are doing well. Keep the passion alive in you. Keep hustling. Welcome back to your very own YouTube channel. Let's Start-Up Nepal. This is the second and the last part of the previous video where we talked about what a business plan is, why is it necessary for a startup, and some key elements not to be left out while writing a business plan for our startup. If you have not checked the first part of this video, then no worries. Link is in the description below. Do check it out. In the previous video, we learned about business plan for a startup. We will be continuing with the same topic in this video, and today we are going to learn about step-by-step process of writing a business plan for our startup. When we decide to start our own startup, we dream of the day our business becomes hugely successful. But before that, we need to know what does that success really mean to us as a founder. Are we sure if our idea is worth pursuing? Not everything will go as we plan in this startup journey. So how can we stay motivated when things are not going as planned? All answer to this question can be found in our business plan. As we discussed, that business plan acts as a roadmap to success. It guides us throughout our startup journey. Without a proper business plan, it will be very difficult to have a vision for our company's future and also what next steps should we be taking for our company. So business plan helps us to make better decisions and avoid common issues on the way to startup journey. Ultimately, it helps us to keep our business on track and help align our strategic goals with the actions that we make on a daily basis. Now you may feel like writing a business plan is a tough task. It is true that writing a business plan is not easy and not everyone knows exactly how to write and what to mention in a business plan. But trust me, it is not that hard as it sounds. All we need is in-depth research and basic fundamentals of our business, and more importantly, a lot of passion and dedication towards our startup. So today we will learn step-by-step process on writing a business plan for our startup. Let's go. Number 1, outline and executive summary. It is a crucial part of a business plan, and remember that it is written at the end of the business plan. Basically, it is the summary, or let's say highlight of the key points of our business. It is the overview of our startup. Things that are mentioned in the executive summary are concept of our startup. What does our startup do? Our business goals and vision. What does our business want to do? Our product description and differentiation. What do we sell and why is it different from that of our competitors? Our target market. Who do we sell to? Our marketing strategy. How do we plan on reaching our customers? Financial projection. What do we anticipate earning in revenue? Our ask. Ask for investment or loan. How much money are we asking for if we are planning to pitch our business plan to investors? Our team who are involved in the business. Number 2, our startup's description. Here we have to address two major questions. Number 1, who are we? And number 2, what do we plan to do? Answering this question with a startup description provides an introduction to why we are in this business and how we are different from others. We can also include our intangible dimensions of our business, such as our principles, our ideologies, our philosophies, etc. Important components we should include in our startup description are our business structure. Are we a sole proprietorship, partnership, or incorporated company? Our business model. Our industry. Our business vision, mission, and value. Business objectives, both short and long term. Our team, including key workforce. And this is where we start getting to the core of why our business exists, what we hope to accomplish, and what we stand for. Number 3, carry out market analysis. We need to carry out market analysis to understand our ideal customer, know our industry, market trend, and also know how big our potential market is. Market analysis should include an overview of how big we estimate the market is for our products, an analysis for our business position in the market, and an overview of the competitive landscape. Similarly, it is really important to perform a SWOT analysis while carrying out market analysis. SWOT analysis looks at our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It analyzes about what are the best things about our company, what are we not so good at, what market or industry shifts can we take advantage of and turn into opportunities, Are there external factors threatening our ability to succeed? On the other hand, we also need to do competitive analysis of our business. It is simply a process of analyzing our competitors' product and service, sales and marketing tactics, their market share, etc. With a competitive analysis, we can discover where our business is doing well, where we need to improve, and which trends we need to go ahead of. It can be used to differentiate our business in the face of competition. Number 4, define management and organization. This section should include who is running the company, legal structure of our business, management team, organizational chart to show our internal structure, roles and responsibilities, and how each person will be contributing to the success of our startup. Number 5, list product and services. Through our product and service, we are providing value to our customer. With our product and service, we are going to make their life easier and better. So we need to mention general information as well as key details of the products and services that we are offering to our customer. Number 6, conduct customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is the process of classifying customers according to how and why they buy. It allows us to create more specific sales and marketing strategies for customer groups. Our target market, or also known as our ideal customers, are the foundation of our business plan as a whole. Our strategic decisions rely on them, which is why an overview of who they are is important to understand and include in our plan. Number 7, establish our marketing plan. Marketing plan means reaching out to our customer and letting them know what we offer to them. Marketing plan basically includes information on 4 major areas. It is also known as 4 P's of marketing. They are price. How much do our product cost and why have we made that decision? Product. What are we selling and how do we differentiate it in the market? Promotion. How will we get our products in front of our ideal customer? Place. Where will we sell our products? Number 8, define logistics and operational plan. Logistics and operations are the workflows that we will implement to make our ideas a reality. Logistics and operational plan include suppliers. Where do we get the raw materials we need for production or where our products are produced? Production. Will we make, manufacture, wholesale or direct deliver our products to customers? How long does it take to produce our products and get them reached to the customers? How will we handle a busy season or an unexpected spike in demand? Equipment. What tools and technology do us require to be up and running? This includes every single equipment from computers to light bulbs and everything in between. Inventory. How much will we keep on hand and where will it be stored and how will we approach inventory management? This section also includes our supply chain. Number 9, make a financial plan. Finance is like blood of the company. At the end of the day, business lives or dies based on its financial health. So while writing a business plan, we need to include financial plan of our startup. We need to comprise an income statement, balance sheet, and a cash flow statement in our financial. Also financial projection. I'll be making a separate detailed video on financial plan for a startup. So for now, let me explain them in brief. Income statement. It shows our revenue sources and expenses. Balance sheet. It lists all our business assets, what we own, and on the other side, all our liabilities, what we owe. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is similar to our income statement with one important difference. It takes into account when revenues are collected and when expenses are paid. So this is the step-by-step process of writing a business plan. And at last but not the least, here are some bonus tips to be considered while writing a business plan. These tips may seem insignificant, but let me tell you, this will really help you preparing a good startup business plan. And the tips are: organize your plan well. Everything that we write and put in our business plan should have a purpose. We should not override the plan. We may have lots and lots of ideas and plans in our mind, but we need to filter them, be concise and get straight to the point. Be honest with yourself. There is no doubt that honesty adds value in a business. We should be honest about the reason for our startup. We should be clear regarding why we exist in the market. Similarly, honesty is a key characteristic of a business because it sets the tone for the kind of work culture that we want to create, provides consistency in workplace behavior, and builds loyalty and trust in customers and prospects. Do not hesitate to ask for help. We often hesitate to ask for help when needed. We try to do everything ourselves. So, if we are having trouble writing a business plan, get help. Asking for help allows for the possibility of fresh ideas and perhaps a new perspective. Get help from someone who has written business plan before, or else there is a free learning platform, that is internet. And these are the bonus tips. I hope you won't neglect them. As a founder of a startup, it is necessary to research on our idea and market we are looking to enter, and also understand the scope. It makes our thoughts and ideas lay out in a structured way. It also helps us to identify clear, deliberate next steps for our business. It's not always about pitching business idea to investors. It helps us to see gaps in our plan before they become issues. No matter how big or small business that we are going to start, if you have a business plan, we will have a comprehensive guide and information we need to start working on the next phase of our startup, and that's where writing a business plan comes in. So what are you waiting for? Get started in your startup journey. And thank you so much, this much for today. You all have been a lovely audience. I hope we learned something on business plan for a startup. Your comments and suggestions are highly appreciated. If you have any queries, mention it in the comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll be uploading new videos on startup very soon. Till then, keep smiling, keep hustling.